Hi drawing friends, today we're going to draw a car. So, we draw a circle, and then another circle, and then color those in with black. And then make a C shape, and then make an upside down L, and then make a line, and then the other way, an upside down L lies the other way, and then keep going down, and then connect to the wheel, and then pretend it's going behind the wheel. So we're gonna do a straight, like glasses. And then we do that for the front window, and then another window, and then another one. And then split those in half, put them in half. And then we want to do a curved line, a kind of curved line, and then another one on top, and then one right here, and then one right here. So that's all. And now let's color it in. Now let's fast forward, okay?
So pause it. Ready, action.
Everyone, you see how I colored it in? You can pause and draw just like me if you want. So, that's all. Bye.